Ashley.
Hi, Ashley. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
So, ready? Live. We're live with BETV at the Epic Show here at Roy Wilkins in Queens, New York. Can you introduce yourself to the camera, please?
My name is Donyala, Renea.
Yo, your performance was amazing. Let me tell you something. They couldn't see you, but your voice is so big. Trust me, they didn't need to see you with that voice. So you're out of Texas. You came far.
I'm Houston, Texas, in the hills. Yeah, yes. Came far, been here. It's been a struggle this whole week dealing with this festival, but I made it to the stage. Didn't make it out on the stage, but I hope New York received us well. The songs I performed was written by Robert Curry from Day 26. So they got a show coming up soon on August, well, the 26th and 27th. So he was in town and came, and we just did the show together. So I'm glad they received it.
And where will they be performing?
Child, I'm not going to even lie about that, but they will be in Times Square. They'll be in Times Square.
Is there a website people can go online?
You can go Day 26 and their official website, and they're there. So yeah, you can go. Yeah.
So tell us about your music. What made it get started? What's your message to the world?
You know what? My message to the world is that keep doing what you want to do, because and believe in yourself, because you know what? At a certain age, you just say, okay, forget the world, but I want to reach out to everybody, share my voice. I used to be timid and shy, so now I'm like, okay, just keep it going, girl. You might as well now. I was like, woo, coming out of there. So I just love to sing. I've been around the world like 5 times, so mostly Asia, sing a lot in Asia. So I was just ready. This was like my first time coming back to the United States to sing in 20 years.
Wow, that's a long time. You did so good up there. So how are you enjoying the show so far?
So far, good. So far, so good. Yes, I loved it. Freddie Jackson was amazing. Yes, definitely.
So everyone, if anyone wants to find you, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter.
Donyala Renea. Everything is Donyala Renea. DonyalaRenea.com. www.DonyaleRenee.com. Facebook, social media, all aboard. Donyala Renea.
So what can everybody expect from you now? Any shows lined up, dates, places?
Yes, we have a few shows in Houston, and we have a few shows in LA coming up soon. So they can go to the website and find me as well. All my dates, and so that's it. I'll be soon coming through. Yep.
Yes. So we are here with Donyala Renea. Big up BETV, and please grace us with that beautiful voice.
Okay. Oh, I love you, BETV. Thank you so much for having me. I really, really, really love you.
Bless, beautiful. Thank you so much.